Alright. Chrysler 300. Alright. Oh, let's see what we got here. Alright. Not bad. I like it. Smooth. Oh yeah, we need a cigarette, eh? In this one, look at.
Yeah, that's just a cigarette mobile.
Yeah.
Fleck them on the ground, the dash, wherever.
Oh, cheers, boys. I got into a car accident. I'd probably eat this camera for breakfast. Aw, thanks for letting me in, buddy. Appreciate it. 4K 60. Alright, let's see how all this audio mics are. Nice and smooth. The one thing I like about the Chrysler 300, it's, you know, it's a little bit more luxurious than, let's say, a Charger or a Challenger. Depends on the model. I don't know if you got a Challenger Laguna seat edition or anything like that, but that's, I mean, I think there's a lot of padding in here. You don't really hear much. I don't know what you guys hear, but for me, it's a lot quieter than the Jeep. Alright. This is a Chrysler 300 2011. This is a 2011 all-wheel drive. So, you know, she's fairly old, but still very comfy. This is the 5.7 liter Hemi. Not much is done to it. Just a 91 tune with Diablo Sport. That's about it. Stock exhaust from 2011, you know. And that's probably why it's quieter than most, because this exhaust is fairly quiet. I'll give it that. I'll give it that. Now with this DJI Mic 2 that we have attached here, kind of just want to make sure see if you get any wind noise here, but do 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 do. So the camera we're using is a DJI Osmo Action 4. I'm gonna merge here. Get that wind out of here. All right, how was that, guys? How was that? Not bad. So, like I mentioned, we're recording with a DJI Osmo Action 4. filming at 4K, 60 frames per second. I'm saying this for future reference because, I don't know, could probably film at 2K maybe, save some space and save some battery life. But this is 4K. And attached is the DJI Mic 2, the new one that they just came out with. So gas mileage, my average gas mileage here when cruising, you know, in eco standard speeds, I get about 11 liters per 100 kilometers. Now I'm not sure what that equates to miles per gallon, but that's not bad. That's not bad considering it's a V8, right? 5.7 liter Hemi. Now in the Jeep 392, I average about 15 liters, probably 16 liters per 100 kilometers per hour. So it eats up a bit more, but it's a lot quicker. I wonder what the Hellcat guys, what you guys got going. And yeah, I know you could save some gas by driving it in the black key, and that gives it about what, 500 horsepower, so 392 speed horsepower. So, all right, rolling. All right. Smoky boys, hey? So this right here is a Chrysler 300C, okay, with a Magnum front end.
Oh yeah.
Oh, getting in this thing. Oh yeah, we need a cigarette, eh? In this one, look at.
Yeah, that's just a cigarette mobile.
Yeah.
Fleck them on the ground, the dash, wherever.
Oh, cheers, boys.